some giant lollipops from the pool noodles I bought from Dollar Tree. Let's get started! So I'm using 2 pool noodles attached together to make a bigger lollipop. I used a glue stick and also tape. Now I'm using a green painter's tape to make the pattern. I'm just gonna wrap this around. You can use different tapes that you want. You can use a duct tape or a regular masking tape and get the color that you want. The width of my tape is just 1 inch, but you can also use 1.5 or 2 inch. I got my tape from Amazon for $6 for 60 yards. You can also get this from Walmart. So just keep wrapping around until we're done and reach the other end. Next, we're gonna roll the pool noodle to make a flat circle. So just keep putting glue stick and then just keep rolling it. I'm just putting a little bit of it each time so the glue stick won't dry up. I suggest that you use a bigger glue gun and glue stick than what I use. It really took me a lot of time because I have a small one, but if you have a bigger one, it will be a lot easier. It's also a lot better if you can find someone to help you hold it while you're rolling it. Alright, so this is how it looks like. We're gonna tie it first with rope just to help it set while we are drying up the glue gun. Maybe 5 to 10 minutes, and then we could start putting the stick after that. I got this piece of rope from Dollar Tree as well, and there's so many ways that you can use this, so I always keep a few pieces handy. Now we're going to attach the stick that we have. I also got it from Dollar Tree. It's technically the handle of the broom that I got. So I'm making the mark first, and then I'm making a hole by using a pointed knife. You can use any pointed knife that you have. And then afterwards, we're attaching the stick by using glue gun. And then we'll let it sit for maybe 5 minutes. Now we're gonna cover it with plastic. You can also get this from Dollar Tree, but unfortunately the Dollar Tree I have close to me doesn't have it. So I got it from Amazon. I think it's just $10 for like a bunch, like probably 50 pieces. And now I'm tying it with a ribbon, or I'm making a ribbon that I also got from Dollar Tree. They have different ribbon patterns, and one roll can probably make you 2 or 3 bows depending on how big you're gonna be making. I'm finally done making my giant lollipop, and as you can see, I made some smaller ones in different colors. And in the next week or 2, I'll be posting some more videos on how to make other giant Candyland theme ornaments. I hope you guys like my video, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Bye!